Welcome to Wealth Mastery USA. Today, we're covering the best stock market apps in the USA for beginners. If you're just starting out and want to invest with ease, this video is for you. In 2025, stock market apps make it easy for anyone to invest from their phone. They offer low fees, user-friendly dashboards, and tools for beginners. Robinhood. Commission-free trading, easy-to-use interface, great for stocks, ETFs, and crypto, best for absolute beginners. Fidelity Investments, zero commission on trades, large educational library, 24/7 customer support, perfect for long-term investors. Charles Schwab, no minimum deposit, fractional shares, you can invest with just $5. Excellent beginner resources, great balance of simplicity and powerful tools. Bonus app, Webull, free trading, more advanced than Robinhood. Great if you're ready to level up. Always set a budget for investing. Start small. Even $100 is enough. Diversify. Don't put all your money in one stock. Use demo accounts before investing real money. These were the best stock market apps in the USA for beginners in 2025. Which one are you using? Drop your answer in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more financial tips on Wealth Mastery USA.